Welcome to the 7th week of Quality Management. To begin, click on the Weekly Modules Content area and select the Module 7, Chapter 6, Quality and Customer Supplier Relationships folder. As always, first we have the learning objectives. Next we have the assignment summary. First you're going to review this video. Next you're going to read Chapter 6 and review the Chapter 6 PowerPoint presentation. For the assignments, you're going to complete the peer-to-peer discussion customer feedback discussion board. You will begin the Quality Improvement Project Part 3 Summary Recommendations, which is due at the end of Week 10. And for this week, you will complete the Chapter 6 quiz. Next, we have the instructional content, then again, which is this video, the reading assignment, and the PowerPoint presentation for Chapter 6. Next, we have the peer-to-peer discussion and customer feedback. For step 1, you're going to navigate to Amazon and find a product that you're interested in or that you actually bought in the past. For your initial post, you'll be answering the questions within step 2. In step 3, you will be replying to at least 3 other students. Next, we have the Quality Improvement Project Part 3, Summary and Recommendations. You should be familiar with the objectives and outcomes for Part 3 because all 4 parts are posted at the beginning of the semester. Make sure, though, you review the information within the assignment description and the assignment rubric. This assignment is not due until the end of Week 10. And lastly, we have the Chapter 6 quiz. That concludes this video. Have a great week.